So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Azizullah Jamali from Sindh University Larkana campus. I am the student of the BBA 2K20 bench. So, I have given mathematics topics, which is given by Sir GM Sheikh, faculty member of Sindh University Larkana campus. So, I will describe my given topics. I have 4 topics to explain. So these are my topics I will explain. First is linear equation, basic concept, interest and matrix. So linear equation, the definition of linear equation is algebraic equation in which each term has an exponent of 1 and the graphing of the equation result is a straight line. So here is the explain that each term have a one exponent. So if we see to x have the one exponent. So this is the simply example of the linear equation. So this is relevant of the linear equation. So constant, what is constant? So here is explain 4n square plus 7. So 4n square is the term and so is the number 7. So the 4n square plus 7. So this is the term, but we see that 7 is mentioned that 7 is the constant. So 7 is the constant. So also here examples. Constant is the number, decimal or fraction on its own without any letter. So example is x 2x plus 3y minus 4. So absolutely the minus 4 is the constant. If we see above the example, 7 is the constant. So variable, a letter or symbol that stands for a number or numbers is variable. So in example, if we see to example, we will easily get that what is the variable. 5x is equal to minus 35. So 35, so x is variable. It means 5 and 35 are not variables. So x is the variable. So these are variables, x, y, z are the variables. So coefficient is the number used to multiply variable. So coefficient is the number used to multiply variables. So example 6z means 6 times z and z is a variable. So 6 is the coefficients. So it means that the number multiplied with the variable is the coefficient. So here is also mentioned 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. So absolutely the 4 is the coefficient. Term in algebra, a term is either single number or variable. Numbers and variables multiplied together. Numbers, we to see that numbers and variables multiplied together. Terms are separated by plus or minus signs or sometimes by divide. So this is the example 5x plus 7. So here was also mentioned the separated from the signs plus minus divide. So here is the plus 5x plus 7. So this is the terms. So 5 and 7 is term, and I have also expand here. So these are terms. What is the polynomial? A polynomial is defined as expression which come to or more algebraic terms. It is made up of 2 terms, namely poly meaning many and nominal meaning terms. So it means that Polynomial means that more one or from two or three more more of the terms are the is the polynomials. So more than one or two or three is the polynomial. So here is explain the 5x y is equal x square y square plus 3x minus 5. So here is the more than two terms. This is the polynomial. Outline of my second topic is basic concept. So these are outline of the basic concept. First degree equation in a variable, in one variable. Second degree equation in one variable, and inequality absolute value. So basic concept, first degree equation. So what is a first degree equation? Here I have explained the equation in which the highest exponent is 1 are called the first degree. So equation which have one exponent, one power, is the first degree. So which have only one power is the first degree, as I have explained in above in the variable. So second degree equation involves at least one variable that is squared or raised to power of 2. One of the most well-known second degree equation is the quadratic. So in first degree one exponent, and second degree to having the square and 2 power exponent. So this is the second degree first degree equation in one variable. So first degree equation, if we see that here are the examples. 5x is equal to minus 35, minus 6x is equal to 54, minus 8x is equal to minus 32. So these are having one exponents. So this is the first degree equation. And second degree equation, if we see there is a lot of the examples. So having two exponents. So easily we have explained here that the second degree equation is have two exponents, 2 powers squares. That is the second degree equation. Inequality compress to values showing 1 less than, greater than, or simply not equal to another value. So here is the 3x. So these are examples I have explained. So these are the example of the inequality. So this is the inequality. So absolute value. The absolute value is always positive number for 0, as 0 is the neither positive or negative. So absolute value refers to the distance of the number from 0 regardless of the direction. So it mentioned it's said that the distance from the 0, the numbers distance from the 0 is the absolute value. Is this the number of the distance of the number is the in minus or in the plus. So here is also explained. So 9 plus the minus 9. So this is telling that the what is the distance from the minus 9 and plus 9s in the 0. So outline of the interest, compound, annuity, present value of the annuity. The simple interest on the amount invested or borrowed is computed based on the principal. Interest rate, length of the time for which the money is invested or borrowed. So this is the formula of the simple interest. So the simple interest of loan can be calculated used to the following formula. So it means the simple interest is equal to PRT. P means principal amount borrowed, R R is equal to interest rate per year and decimal. T is equal to time in years. T means time in years. So this was the formula of the interest rate. So I have also explained example, given example. So these are the examples. 2-year loan of the 500 is made with the 4% simple interest. Find interest and earn. So these also have the data. So these are also solved through the formula of the around simple interest. Another example also here, problem to buy a computer equal borrowed so 33,000 at the interest for 4 years. How much money did she have to pay? So here is the data. So this is also solved through the formula of the simple interest. If here is mentioned also, so I is equal to P multiply RT. So this was also mentioned. So these explained and solved by the simple interest formula. So compound interest is the addition of interest to principal sum of a loan or deposit, or in other words on interest. So it's the interest on the interest. So this is the compound interest. So this is the compound interest formula. F is equal to future payment, P is equal to principal amount, I is equal to interest rate, N is equal to number of the years and time. So A is installments. So this is the compound interest formula. Compound interest examples. So this is the example mentioned. I have mentioned. So this also solved through the formula of the compound. A principal of the 2000 is placed in the saving account 3% per annum, compounded annually. How much is the account after 1 year, 2 years and 3 years? So this is also explained through the compounds formula. So another I have given the example of the compound, and also have data. If an amount of the 5,000 is deposited into saving account, and interest rate 5%, compound monthly, the value of investment after 10 years can be calculated as follows. So this is saying that how much the money how much compound will be after 10 years. So this is also here the data, and also solved through the compounds formula. So annuity, a sequence of the payments and regular times. Ordinary annuity, payment made at the end of each payment period. Simple annuity, payment period coincide with the interest conversion period. So this is the annuity. Present value of the annuity. The present value of the annuity and payment are dollars paid at the end of each investment period, and to account that earns interest at the rate of the I. Interest per period is P is equal to R. So here is also mentioned the formula of the annuity. So now last topic is the matrix. So these are outline of the matrix, the type of matrix, operation of matrix, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So a matrix is the rectangular array of numbers arranged row and columns. The dimension of the matrix are written as row and column. It is the combination of the linear equation. It is represented by the by these symbols. So these are the type of the matrix I will explain. So these, the first is the raw matrix, a raw matrix which has only one raw called the raw matrix. So we see 5 2 5 minus 2 minus 5 and 10. So this is the raw. So these are the two raws. So this is the raw. In column matrix, a matrix which has only one column matrix is column. So this is the here I explain. So column 7 minus 1 is the column. Continued square matrix, no number of the rows and number of the column is same. So we see that the number of the columns and number of the rows are the same. So this is the square matrix. Null matrix, which all elements is equal to 0. So we see that all matrices are equal to the 0. Continued identity matrix, a square matrix whose diagonal is ascending value is each of the other element is 0. So identity matrix. So this is the identity matrix. In diagonal matrix, a square matrix all of whose elements except types in the leading diagonal are 0. So this is the also mentioned the example of the diagonal. Scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all the elements of the main diagonal is same called scalar matrix. So all the main diagonals are same. This is the scalar matrix. So example also mentioned. Triangle matrix, there are types of the upper triangle, all the below elements are 0. So our triangle matrix have two types. First is the lower triangle and second is the first is the lower triangle and second is the upper triangle. So upper triangle is above. So these are the there are some difference between the upper and triangle matrix. So it's continued transpose matrix, a matrix obtained by into changing the rows and column of the matrix. So this is the transposing matrix. We see the example of 6 4 so 6 4 40 24. So this is the very simply here explained example. So if we see in column the 6 6 4 is the 24. So these are same. So this is the transposing matrix. So symmetric matrix, a square matrix is called symmetric matrix if it is equal to its transpose. So this is the symmetric matrix. Addition of the matrix, to add matrix they must have the same dimension. So they must have the same dimension. This is the demand that they must have the same dimension is the then they get the add. So this is the addition of the matrix here in mention. If we see 10, first is the A is the 10 0 and minus 4 5 plus minus. So second B is minus 6 3 1 7. So these are added. So this is the result of the addition matrix. And subtraction matrix also same. For the subtraction matrix, two matrix the order be same. So this is also example here mentioned. So we see that the result is minus 1 8 3 15. So multiplication matrix suppose is in an NMP matrix and C in N by PM. The AC is the defined to be the M by P matrix whose entry is raw J, column K is given by following equations. So this is also explained in the examples. So these are my 4 topics. So let's also continue the example. Thank you very much. These are my 4 topics I have explained.